Occasionally, you may find that the bobbin case becomes loose and moves freely within the throat of the machine. This can be remedied by removing the two screws holding the throat plate and repositioning the bobbin holder. Raise the needle on the presser foot and take out the two screws and remove the cover. Take out the bobbin holder. Align the bobbin holder with the back of the machine as shown here. These two tabs on the bottom of the throat plate cover keep it in place. Put the plate back and screws.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.